Hello students, our topic today is Microsoft PowerPoint Basics. For the lesson objective, I will introduce you to the Microsoft PowerPoint and its window, which is the interface of the PowerPoint, and then we will do some hands-on practical activity using the PowerPoint. For the step to success number 1, we will identify what is the use of a PowerPoint. And second, you will get to know the PowerPoint window, for example, like which one is the ribbon, tabs, groups, and so on. And thirdly, we will also do some practical activity using the PowerPoint itself, like creating a new presentation, add the slides, and so on. Okay, now let's move on to the terminology and the description of the terms used in the PowerPoint. Microsoft PowerPoint. It is an application for creating slideshow presentation. Why do we create presentation? It could be for presenting our work reports for our school project, or maybe presenting about our personal interests, for example, like basketball, guitar. What you are looking at now is also created using the Microsoft PowerPoint. Here is how the PowerPoint window looks like. You'll find that it looks somewhat similar to the Microsoft Word window because they are both from the same company, Microsoft. Now the ribbon. The ribbon is the area at the top of the screen where the commands are organized into tab, icons, and groups. So this is the ribbon. On the top left here we have the quick access toolbar for the frequently used command, and here these are the tabs. This is the title bar showing the title of our presentation, minimize, maximize, and cross. And then underneath here we have the groups as well as the icons. These are the icons. All these are the icons. Tabs. There are 8 tabs in addition to the File tab. For example, like the Home, Insert, Design, Transition, Animation, Slideshow, View, and Review tabs. Okay. So these are the tabs over here. We'll be learning more about this as we do the hands-on activity. Groups. Related task functions are organized into groups. These are the groups, right? Okay. And then if you want to access additional tasks, they can be accessible by clicking on the dialog box launcher in the lower right corner. This is the dialog box launcher. And now let's try to recall again the terms of the PowerPoint window. Number 1, what do you think it is? It is the quick access toolbar for the frequently used command. Number 2 is it the tab or the groups? It is the tab. Number 3 shows the title bar, which is the name of our presentation. Number 4 is the minimize, maximize, cross. And number 5 are the groups. And number 6 is showing the icons. So let's move on to the other terms used in PowerPoint. So slide. Each individual screen in a PowerPoint presentation is called a slide. This is a slide. You can add pictures, shapes, and tables to the slide. Layout. You can also edit the layout by using the placeholder which appear in the dotted line on each of the slides, like this. These are the placeholder. From here, you can edit the text and the content as you like. For example, you can edit the title and you can edit the content layout. And themes. Themes are basically the design that you can choose for your presentation. Okay, and then it comes also with the color variants or the combination that you can use to coordinate your design. Navigation pen, as the word suggests, it helps you to navigate through your slides. The display pen on the left side of the window, which provides a preview of all your slides. This is called navigation pen, so it shows you a preview of all your slides, slide 1, slide 2, slide 3, slide 4, and so on. And here you can navigate between your slides, and also you can insert, you can move, or you can delete your slides from here. For example, you want to move this up, you want to move this down, delete it, and so on. All of this can be done in the navigation pen. Notes pen, as the name suggests, this is a section at the bottom of the slide where you can add your own notes here. It acts as a reminder to help the presenter during a presentation. So now let's try to recall some of the terms we have just covered. So the first one, what do you think it is? Is it placeholder, themes, notes, pen, slide? So it should be the slides. Number 2, the dotted line here. That is for the layout, which we call the placeholders. Number 3, the design for the PowerPoint presentation. That's what we call the themes. Number 4 is the navigation pen, where you can navigate between the slides. And number 5 is the notes pen, where you can add notes to help you in your presentation. And now let's move on to the activity.